Hi, this is Gwen Harvey with HomeSmart. I'm visiting the Ryans subdivision in Henry County. Wanted to share with you today some of the properties that they have that they're building and have already built. We're going into the home. This is the living area or office area. With this home, you have an open floor plan. This would be your family area. With a view of the kitchen area and a large island. Stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors on the main floor. You also have a breakfast area or dining area. This is a two-story home. Your main bathroom on the second floor. Secondary bedroom. You have your laundry room, which is very spacious. Secondary bedroom. And entering into the master. This master is very spacious. And this is the bathroom for the master area. Includes double vanity sinks, shower, and a huge walk-in closet. Plenty of space for clothes and shoes. If you're interested in this home and knowing more about it, please call me, Gwen Harvey, HomeSmart, 770-475-1130.